This is Ken with Village Green, and this particular plant is called a Texas sage. This one right now is about 4 feet tall. We had a really severe freeze back in February that really hammered a lot of these around the neighborhoods, and this was one of them that really got hammered. And you can see it's actually bounced back pretty well. But the main thing I wanted to show you are these beautiful kind of purplish blooms that this gets on it just sporadically. I've been told that these bloom each time it rains. I don't know if that's actually true, but that's what I've heard. The trick with these is this actually is going to get probably about half again this size. This one's about 4 or 5 feet tall right now, and it's easily going to get somewhere around 6, maybe 7 feet, something like that. And it also is kind of wild and woolly, so be prepared for it to take over a spot, and then to make it look nice, you're going to have to trim off the occasional limb to keep it as a more natural look. But it is a very pretty plant that is a favorite for a lot of people in this area. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood lawn and landscape health experts.